cooking good food. I'm gonna be using snowshoes and skis to explore these mountains, and I'm bringing you guys along for the ride. I think this is a good spot. This sled right here is called the Polk. A couple of weeks ago, I was having loads of trouble with it flipping on me. I think I solved it. I went ahead and got a second sled, and I bolted the two sleds together at the mounting brackets. And now, if it flips over, doesn't matter. Additionally, I put all my heavy stuff in the Polk, and all my big bulky light stuff, like my sleeping bag, I put